Sean Cruz of TD Ameritrade joins us now for the Trader Rundown, and Sean has his eyes on the NASDAQ. Thanks so much for coming on the show. So what are you seeing here, Sean?
A lot of put activity in some of these bigger tech names. In Microsoft, we saw a lot of activity at that 88.5 put strike. And then in Micron, we saw quite a bit of activity in the 43 put strike. And these are popular names, not only with our clients, but we see them being widely held just across the retail industry. And I think what you're seeing is just some hedging.
Moving over to another sector, you say you are also watching Hertz. This is a stock that has its fair share of struggles.
It does. It's got quite the story. I think there's got to be a handful of business school cases based off of the Hertz saga going back for 20 years. But lately we saw a lot of activity in some names this week, even though there wasn't any real major specific company news coming out. And it turned out what was going on was there was a lot of what's called 13F filings where some of the major funds disclosed their holdings, and PIMCO came out and announced that they sold their entire stake in Hertz. And so when that happened, you actually saw a lot of activity come in at that 16 put level. So still a little bit below where Hertz is trading at now, but it's a lot of activity around that 16 level, just in case you do see a further pullback in shares. If PIMCO is just the first of many funds that might be unloading their positions, can put a lot of selling pressure on that name.
Well, thanks for all that news.
Yeah, I try.